the key incidents that highlighted the Adamawa state governorship election of March 18 and the supplementary polls of April 15 was the controversial announcement of the outcome by the resident electoral commissioner, Hudu Ari. His announcement of Aisha to Binani as winner while collation was still ongoing was widely condemned by concerned Nigerians. This was actually mentioned by the appellate court, which described as unlawful the action of the resident electoral commissioner, stressing that only the returning officer is empowered by law to announce the result of an election. The judgment prepared by Justice Tunde Awotoye was read by Justice Ebiowe Toby on behalf of a three-member panel, where he said, quote, "The rec was on his own, and that INEC is not expected to take painkillers for his personal headache." In a unanimous judgment, the appellate court said the APC governorship candidate could not prove her case of alleged overvoting and corrupt practices. The court then awarded 500,000 naira each in favor of Fintiri and the PDP against Binani.
The competent official with the power to announce the result of an election is a returning officer. So when a rec decides to go far beyond his authority and to go and make an announcement, what the rec did was not a declaration. You make a declaration when you have the legal authority and power to make the declaration. What he did was an announcement because ab initio, a priori, from the outset, he had no legal authority, he had no legal power to declare anybody the winner of that election, even before the process of collation was completed. In fact, the court said when he did that, he was on his own.
Quite unfortunate, the judgment is not favorable to our party, but just as you know, these are intermediate courts. We have the right to appeal to the Supreme Court. We're going to study the judgment, and upon study of the judgment, we are going to get advice from our lawyers and see what our next possible line of action we want to take about the judgment.
In a chat with a section of the media, Governor Fintiri hailed the decision of the appeal court.
There shouldn't have been any issue. But you know, politicians, being what they are, we're here, and the court has further reaffirmed, because that is their responsibility. And I'm happy for that. I'm gratitude to them, because they've done what they're supposed to do. They've given judgment to whom deserves the judgment. If they want, they stop here. If they want, they go further. We will still go and win.
Although there's room for an appeal at the Supreme Court, the APC governorship candidate is yet to state if she would appeal the judgment or not. Godfrey Eshamoge, Arise News.